Good morning children. I would like to welcome each and everyone to the EV.S class, and today's date is 24th September 2020. And children, we are going to do with lesson number 6, discovering India. So let us start. What will be the learning outcome? We will learn about the location of India, that means where India is located. We will learn about the 8 neighboring countries of India. Then we will learn about the 6 physical features of India. These are the learning objective of this lesson. Now let us move. So about the location of India, you should know that India is located in the southern part of Asia. That is the southern part of Asia. Here it is. India is located in the southern part of Asia, and it is the 3rd largest country in Asia. Okay, India is the 3rd largest country in Asia, and it is also India is the 7th largest country in the world. Okay, 7th largest country in the world. Then moving to the next slide, let us see. Yes, see, this is the Asia, continent Asia, and you can see here the India is here. Okay, India, the part you can see like a cone, is our country India. Then next, let us see. We are going to learn about the 8 neighboring countries. That is, what are the different neighboring countries we have? We have Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka. These are the 8 neighboring countries of India, and we have 3 water bodies. Okay, 3 water bodies, that is the Bay of Bengal in the east, Arabian Sea in the west, and Indian Ocean in the south. In the down you will be finding the Indian Ocean. Okay children, these are the 8 neighboring countries, and you should know they are Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka. And we have 3 water bodies, that is Bay of Bengal in the east, and Arabian Sea in the west, and Indian Ocean in the south. Okay, these are the things we have learned. Let us see. Now we are going to do about the 6 physical features, children. As we have our physical feature, that is we have our eyes, nose, ears, head, hands. So India is also blessed with the 6 physical features. Okay, that means the different landforms and water bodies. Physical features includes different landforms and water bodies. Number 1, it is the northern mountain. The number 2, northern plains. Number 3, the Thar desert. Number 4, Peninsula Plateau region. Then we have number 5, coastal plain, and number 6 is the islands. So let us start one by one. So we are going to talk about the northern mountain, and northern mountain is also known as the Himalayan range. Okay, Himalayan mountain, sorry. Northern mountain is also known as the Himalayan mountain. You will be reading in higher classes. So northern mountain and Himalayan mountains are same. So let us start. The northern mountains form from the boundary between India and China. Okay, where are you going to find the northern mountain? In the boundary between India and China. They are also known as the Himalayan mountain, as I already said. And you should remember that 4 rivers originated from the Himalayas. Okay, 4 rivers, that is Ganga, Brahmaputra, Yamuna, and Satluj. These are the 4 rivers that have originated from the Himalayas. And what are the important cities and states you will find in the northern mountain? They are Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, Dehradun, Uttarakhand, Shimla, Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh, and Gangtok. And you should know also that life in the mountain is not easy, because children, there it is almost covered with ice throughout the year, and making the region very cold. Okay, because it is the Himalayan mountains, it is covered with snow throughout the year, and it is not easy. People use mule to travel from one place to another, because in the mountain roads can't be built. Now let us see in the next what we have. We have the northern plain. Children, the northern plain, the river Ganga flows through the northern plain and making the soil fertile. Okay, northern plain you will find two rivers, especially the Ganga and Yamuna, and they make the land very fertile. And the states are Haryana, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, Varanasi and Patna. And about the northern plains, I already said they grow crops such as rice, wheat and sugarcane. Okay, it is very fertile. The land is very fertile. Now moving to the next. What's a desert, children? A desert is a sandy land. Okay, and moreover you will find very less water there, and days are hot and nights are cold, and this region receives very less rainfall. And the cities and states are Jaisalmer and Rajasthan. And you'll also say the Thar desert is also known as the Great Indian Desert. Okay, and you will find the sheep of the desert, that is the camel, is called the sheep of the desert, and it can store its food in the humps. Okay, you all know the camel has a humps. There he store the food and water for that, and it can stay without water for many days, and so it is at the sheep of the desert. Then moving to the next slide, we have the Deccan Plateau. Now what are plateau, children? Plateaus are table-like land. Okay, it looks like a table land. And where are you going to find this one? You are going to find in the southern part, that is the southern part, Deccan Plateau. That you will find the states like Karnataka, Telangana, Nagpur, Maharashtra, Bengaluru. You will find the Deccan Plateau. And in the Deccan Plateau, you have to remember that, children, the Peninsula Plateau is the largest largest region in India. Okay, the Peninsula Plateau is the largest region in India. It is triangular in shape. If you remembered about the map, you can see that in the south it is cone-like shape, so it is called the triangular. The river Narmada divides the Peninsula Plateau into two parts. And who divides the plateau into two parts? It's the river Narmada. Always remember that river Narmada divides it into two parts, that is Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. And Central Highland you will find that lies in the northern part. Okay, and here in the Deccan Plateau it is the southern part. So let us see next. We have the coastal plain. What do you mean by coastal area, children? Coastal area is that a land right next to the sea or an ocean. You can see sea or an ocean. And if you have visited beach, these are the coastal areas, and it starts from Goa, means Maharashtra, from the west till east, that is the Puri. Okay, Puri and Kolkata. Then we have next, let us see. And coastal plains, it runs from the east and to the west of India. From the east, just now I said, from Kolkata to the west, that is to Maharashtra or little part of Gujarat. Okay, then we have they are called as eastern coastal plain and the western coastal plain. And the most important thing people do is the fishing, because they get available fishes in the seas or ocean. And the states that are connected with it is Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Puri, Orissa, Mumbai, Maharashtra, Panaji and Goa. Okay, in this area you will find all the beaches. Okay, because it is next to the sea or the ocean. Then let us see about the islands, water islands. Islands is a piece of land covered by water on all sides. We have seen only. It's a piece of land covered by water on all the sides. And you should remember that India has two groups of island. As earlier we have said, let me see. India have two groups of island, that is, we have the Andaman and Nicobar in the east and Lakshadweep Island in the west. Okay, and these are the islands are known for natural beauty. Okay, the islands are known for its natural beauty. So children, we have finished our class over here, and we have already completed all the necessary points we have discussed, and we have covered all the necessary points. And in the next class we are going to do the map practice. I hope so you will be you'll make sure that there is a map for you all to do the practice, and please take out the workbook for the next class. Okay children, I would like to wind up my class here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.